Hi guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video on our channel. And the topic of today's video is how to reactivate your Facebook account. If you have recently deactivated your Facebook account, then in this video I'm exactly going to show you how you can easily reactivate it. Now if this is something that you want to learn, then make sure you stick to this video till the end and let's get right into it. Open up your Facebook app, and if you are logged in to any other account, first you'll need to log out. Tap on login to another account and this login box will open up. Now in order to reactivate your account successfully, all you need to do is type in your details and then tap on login. So type in either your mobile number or email address linked with your Facebook that you have deactivated and type in your password. You don't need to go through any complicated steps. You just need to type in your credentials and tap on login, and your account will be successfully reactivated. But however, if it's been over 30 days since you deactivated your account, then that means your account of Facebook has now been completely deleted. So if you have done that, then you won't be able to retrieve your account back and any of the information in it, because the limit or the time limit is 30 days. So if you don't reactivate your account within 30 days of you deactivating it, your account of Facebook will be deleted. So that's the exact process of reactivating your Facebook account. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.